Beautiful day. I made another 4G of taking to France. This is the first time I can go to America. I'm going a bit fast. Like every rich person wonder about to take off. Time to take the freak off. Ooh. But I'm almost gonna crash. There. 15 kilometers away from the airport. I can't wait to see what this feels like when I arrive in the US. 50 minutes later. I'm back here on the new country. I hope I'm landing a bit soft. Right, taking a lot of rest areas. I'm gonna give. Oh god, a bit bad. Oh god, I'm gonna turn off my gas because I know what this means. I can't fly good. Oh gosh, help me! Oh my gosh, I need to use my rod brakes. Find a steering place to find. Start. Formal reason why. Oh god, oh gosh. Oh, I hate my life like this. I fly back to France. That's reason why, because I have been roasting and roasting on. God, I'm gonna crash. Oh gosh, okay, just be careful a little bit at the side. A bit at the side, okay, I'm gonna, please, 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 please land a bit. Oh my god! Oh, I safe landed. There. My destination, Saudi Arabia. The new place, as I called. New. I can't wait to take all of these Indonesian to Saudi Arabia because they're going Haji. Oh gosh, I'm tilting. Let the gears down, please.
وعليكم السلام. الرجال مريض يا قلب سلم على
I can't steer good. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no.
Eminem. أي ميني؟
Oh I cannot wait. Now I'm in the desert. I'm 50 miles away from eating first ocean. I'm flying above the desert.
Eminem.
What are those camels doing? Are they biting each other? Oh. Just, Saudi Arabia. At the Arabian airport, make sure I can make
Eminem. أي ميمي. يا بنية ويا بنية أنت أكبر حرامية.
Oh, please land at the perfect place. Please.
أي ميمي.
Please land. Please land. Why am I bad at landing? Oh gosh. Oh God, bro. Ow. Oh. Oh, I feel like the desert sand is burning my wheels. Ah. Oh my God, I'm stopping. Brakes. Oh God, an airport car.
Eminem.
Oh, I'm bleeding. My parts.
قلبي قدامي قلبي قدامي